welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making some chocolate chip cookies with my sister Laura, who some of you know, not all of you know. Okay, let's do this. Step one, core.
We gotta announce what our ingredients are first.
Oh, okay, yeah, sorry,
So the
my
squad
bad,
knows.
my bad, okay. Laura, would you like to announce
Right.
the ingredients?
Okay, so to make these cookies we're making, we gotta have 2 cups and 1/4 of all-purpose flour. As you can see, we got that. We need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Here we go. It's fresh. It hasn't even been opened yet.
We need 1 teaspoon of salt.
No, that's not salt. This is
Salt. Okay.
2 sticks or 1 cup of butter that is softened, which we're gonna get softened now, and if worse comes to worse, we might just have to microwave it. It's fine. And then 3/4 cup of granulated white sugar. Very important, or else it won't taste good.
Yeah.
And then
Oh,
I'm gonna Vanna White this one.
one teaspoon of vanilla extract.
3/4 cup of packed brown sugar.
2 large eggs.
I don't play when it comes to the hottest. Get it over.
Okay, continue with the video.
And then 2 cups.
Oh, the most important thing, chocolate chip. Okay,
All right, let's get started.
let's do it. Okay, so first thing we need, do you have the measuring cup?
Yeah.
Here we go. So, here, we need 2 cups of flour.
You said a bowl to put it in.
Sure, Laura, get the bowl. Okay, guys. Oh, and by the way, at the end of this video, we will be giving a free Amazon gift card give out away. To get in that give out, you are going to have to giveaway. You're gonna have to subscribe, smash a like, and go in the comments and say done. Then you can win a free Amazon gift card. Okay.
This is a good song.
Yeah, it is.
You know this song?
Oh no. What? This bowl?
No, the big one. No! Wait, actually.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's small bowl.
doesn't
Sorry.
matter. Okay. Oh, Laura?
Yeah. Wait, but that's like salmonella.
No,
Whatever.
you should eat it, Laura. You have to eat it. Laura, put it on your cheeks, not in your mouth. You're going to die.
Ew.
Oh. Oh. Okay, perfect cup. Okay, Laura, would you like to do the 3/4 that we have to do?
You mean
Or the 1/4? Yes. Laura?
Okay.
Do
Feel really special right now, guys.
yeah, 1/4. Okay. I'm already so dirty. Okay. May, come. Say hi. Say
Say hi
hi.
to the vlog
Say
squad.
hi. Say hi.
Alright, squad. So next we're going to be adding the
Hi.
baking soda. That's 1 teaspoon.
One
Don't confuse it with 1 tablespoon.
Yeah, that would suck. Okay.
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon, guys.
This one.
Teaspoon. Okay. Wait, where's the baking soda? Or what are we doing? This? That what we're
Yeah,
doing?
that one.
Okay.
You gotta open it first.
How do you open it? Okay. So, after we do the baking soda, we have the salt. Well, I'll do the baking soda. Get the salt ready, okay? Or open it.
ASMR.
No,
Say ASMR.
Stop.
I can't
Stop.
open it. Oh, this one's open here.
Yeah. Shout out to Big Shaq again. I did promise you guys that I'd shout out to him in every single video. And I haven't so far. But right now, shout out Big Shaq. Love you, man. Wherever you are. You're the best artist all time, of course. Laura, okay. Laura, do the salt while I do this.
Okay.
Oh my god, wait, what the heck? Wait, actually?
So guys, we're adding 1 teaspoon of salt while we're struggling.
Wait, what's this? What? What?
Ah!
Yo, Laura. I'm sorry. Laura, what the heck? Oh my gosh.
Here, we'll just pour some
Yeah.
back.
No, pour like all of it back. You got so much in.
I didn't.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
Okay, well, I didn't even see it. So you can do that.
Yeah, you loser. Also, I like it extra
Oh,
salty
what
and
the-
spicy.
What the heck? Okay. Oh, I did it! I did it! Wait, or is it teaspoon or tablespoon?
Teaspoon.
Okay.
Don't screw that up, guys. I'm gonna put a pinch in.
Why?
So it tastes better.
Why? But like, aren't we supposed to just do the measurement?
Yeah, but I don't even know if I did the measurement that well.
Baking soda.
Trying to get some good tunes.
Okay, guys, we're done with the small John here.
Yeet.
So,
Next, we are beating the butter, which is not softened.
Beating
So I'm
butter.
gonna go take it over to the microwave.
okay,
Bye, squad.
while Laura does that, I will work on the Big John. In the Big John, we will have the granulated sugar going up first. So, granulated sugar, brand new. Key part right there of the recipe. We're gonna have 3/4 cup of it. So to do that, we're gonna have 1/4 and then 1/2. Yeah. What the? Okay.
Squad, follow me on Instagram at Laura A. Gallon.
Dope. Okay.
What's wrong with the music?
We're done with the salt. Laura, where's the butter at? Okay.
In the microwave.
Okay, that's stupid. Okay. 3/4 packed, or 3/4 cup of packed granulated sugar. Ah. Okay.
Here we go. We got our squad. Some butter.
Laura, stop saying squad. How do you open this?
Yummy.
How do you open this?
Look at all that.
Laura, what? Laura, you're ruining this. It's not supposed to be liquid.
It is when I do it.
No, Laura, that's why yours suck.
Oh, good.
No, Laura, they all stick together.
That was literally 2 years ago.
Okay, guys, moving on to the next thing.
We have the butter, green sugar, brown sugar, and vanilla extracts.
Okay, I've done the brown sugar.
Alright, how much do we need of vanilla extract?
I do not know.
Alright, this time we're gonna do it over like a bowl or something, so like it doesn't spill.
Yeah, you should have a bowl where like. Okay. So. Laura, luckily you get over a bowl or something. Here, I got this. Come here. Okay. Oh, is that it? No, we gotta do our eggs.
No, don't you do that while you're eating?
No.
Yeah. And stir it until creamy. So here we're gonna stir until
I will
creamy.
stir. already messed up. You're gonna crack the eggs.
Alright.
Should we use this mixer, maybe?
I always use it with a wooden spoon, but that's just my preference.
No, get the mixer, Laura. We only have 5 minutes left. Yeah. Laura, get the mixer.
You can get the mixer.
Where is it?
I don't know. That's why I don't use it, because I don't think I'm finding it.
Mom, where's the mixer? I found it, Laura. Can you get it, please?
You're so basic, using machines to replace human nature.
Yes, but it's faster, so I don't know. Okay. And also we got to lick these.
I would just lick the spoon.
Yeah, but there's 2 of us. So. Okay. We plug it in. What the heck? Why did I just plug it? Oh, got it. Okay. Oh, now where are these? Okay. Oh. Okay. Now, we will take a quick break from the video and come back when this is nice and creamy. We'll be back in a moment. All right, guys. We've mixed it all together, added chocolate chips.
Doesn't it look fab? I know.
Laura, stop. Okay. Voila. Looks great, right? So, now we're just going to spread them out, and then we'll come back, and then we're going to bake them,
No, that's no problem.
and then we'll try them. Okay.
Who's hype?
I am.
Here we go, guys. First batch.
Ooh. Ooh.
Where do we put it?
Does it look good?
Here we go. Can we get these ones?
Oh, Laura, why'd you put it? Oh, you should have put it on the grill. Laura, put it on the grill right now. Put it on the grill. Laura,
Shoot.
you're just gonna ruin the item.
Burn the counter, but it's fine.
Okay, it's all good, guys. It's all good.
Can we get these ones?
Yeah, get the middle ones.
Actually, no. Give it like 1 more minute.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, Laura, shall we try this? Oh, okay.
We're okay.
Okay, well, we'll be right back once Laura is situated,
And
and
dying.
then we will try the wonderful cookies. Okay, bye everyone. Let's try them. Oh,
Oh, it's really hot. Oh my god.
oh shoot. Okay,
Alright.
it's really
Hard
hot.
and fast.
It's really
Oh god.
hot. Okay,
1, 2, 3,
Laura,
go.
Laura, dramatic acting activated. Oh, 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 oh.
Super good, guys.
So yummy!
Shall we end it tomorrow? Ready?
So creamy!
Ready?
No, Laura, no, Laura, stop. Stop.
Guys, comment down below.
Stop.
Wait,
Oh.
comment down below if you want me to do an ASMR on the channel, because I know you won't too.
Laura, stop.
Yummy.
It's so good. It's so good. Yummy, huh? Okay. Bye, guys. Remember the shout out.
Thank you guys so much. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment down below on what you want us to do next. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, like smash it so hard. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time we upload a new video. Love you guys so much. Okay, bye. Mwah.